You're not even wearing boots. Mom, don't. Especially right here. Do not go right here. You're not wearing boots. So do not crawl over this.
It's really hard.
I'm not trying to get you hurt. Well, you can go right here.
I said wait. It's hard. Every time I take this, the boat right there. Then there's the hiking, guys. Hiking place design. What? Call that burrito?
What? What that speed on?
Yeah.
So you look over there, I can get a good glance at it now. It's a lighthouse. What are you doing?
You can't really see.
Where's Dad?
Still there. Yeah, this is the trail here. Why are you going there? But it's really hard. There's too much rock.
I got a good view.
Okay guys, see you. Again later, maglakad muna kami dito. Doon sa trail. Hiking side guys. See you.